Nestled in the heart of Gurugram Sector 71 is rapidly emerging as one of the most promising investment destinations for real estate in India. Now, this sector boasts a strategic location, robust infrastructure, and an array of lifestyle amenities that makes it a coveted choice for both residential as well as commercial developers. The Southern Peripheral Road, where we are standing right now, a 16-kilometer long stretch, is the lifeline connecting major hubs, including the Golf Course Road, Golf Course Extension Road, Sona Elevated Highway, DMIC and NH8. This connectivity has turned the SPR market into a beacon of sustainable development and prosperity. Gurugram commands an impressive 44% share of new unit launches in Delhi NCR, with the luxury segment capturing a remarkable 61% share. Sector 71 in particular is favourite among developers due to its well-planned infrastructure and proximity to IT hubs, corporate offices, shopping malls, international retail brands and entertainment centres. The sector is strategically positioned with easy access to the Indira Gandhi International Airport through multiple roads and is easily accessible through major highways, enhancing its appeal. Furthermore, the significant infrastructural developments around Sector 71 makes it a prime choice for home buyers as well. Key projects include SPR Metro, a proposed metro line along the SPR, that is the Southern Peripheral Road, connecting Sector 55 and Sector 56 to Vatika Chowk. Delhi Alwar RRTS, enhancing connectivity across Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan with the Delhi Alwar Regional Rapid Transit System. Global City, a 1,000-acre mixed-use project featuring workspaces, retail and social infrastructure. Manesar MRTS, a proposed metro line linking Rajiv Chowk, SPR and Vatika Chowk, extending to Manesar. Proposed air taxi from Delhi to Rajiv Chowk in Gurugram that will reduce the travel time to just 7 minutes, and the recently proposed elevated road from Vatika Chowk to Cloverleaf. These developments collectively enhance Sector 71's appeal to potential home buyers. In this sector, Signature Global, a listed player known for its quality, has acquired more than 100 acres of land and is set to come up with multiple projects collectively known as the Township of Signature Global. This multi-use land includes residential, commercial and office spaces designed to meet the diverse needs of modern urban living. Here in this vibrant sector, Signature Global is set to launch its new residential project, Titanium SPR. Now, these internationally designed Singapore-styled Uber condominiums offer spacious 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK options, providing an ideal space for families to create lasting memories in a luxurious setting. Titanium SPR embodies the strength, durability and the prestige of the namesake metal. Now, this project is situated in the bustling 71 sector, offers an enduring quality and timeless elegance. We are committed to offering the finest to our residents, sparing no efforts in providing top-tier facilities. To achieve this, we have partnered with industry's leading experts in the real estate sector. The magnificent project is backed by the visionary partners and consultants including DPC Consultants from Singapore, MPFP from the USA, Confluence, NMP Design, Cinelec Consultants and Wintech Consultants. Each brings their unique expertise to ensure the highest standards in architecture, landscape and MEP services. The initial phase of this prestigious project, 14.382 acres, offering spacious living environments designed for comfort and luxury. This phase includes these 608 Uber condominiums with 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK configurations, each soaring to a height of 40 floors and equipped with over 55 amenities to cater to diverse needs. A remarkable 91% of the project area is dedicated to green and open spaces, ensuring a tranquil and refreshing environment that promotes well-being and a strong connection to nature. The architectural design combines modern aesthetics and tropical elements, resulting in visually stunning and functional living spaces. The incorporation of biophilic design further enhances the living experience by integrating natural elements into the building, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. The 4.5 BHK units feature 2 apartments per core, while the 3.5 BHK units have 3 apartments per core, ensuring privacy and exclusivity for the residents. Convenient subterranean parking provides secured and easy access for the residents' vehicles. The grand triple-height entrance lobby creates an impressive first impression, setting the tone for a luxurious living experience. Each tower is equipped with 5 to 6 elevators, including private elevators for the residents, ensuring quick and easy access to all the floors, ensuring convenience and privacy. The interiors are designed with a spacious 3.6-meter floor-to-floor height, creating a sense of openness and luxury. Expansive decks provide additional outdoor living space perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The 4.5 BHK units feature 28-foot-long decks, while the 3.5 BHK units have 26-foot-long decks. Each unit includes 5 fixture bathrooms and advanced VRV/VRF cooling systems for optimal climate control. The project's towering 40-floor high-rise structures provide breathtaking views to the cityscape and beyond, with thoughtfully designed layouts that ensure no balconies overlook each other, offering enhanced comfort and privacy. Elevated green spaces, including the Sky Garden on the 30th floor, creates serene retreats with panoramic vistas. The Sky Terrace serves as an outdoor oasis where residents can relax and socialize, further enriching the luxurious living experience. Hey, our project offers 55 plus exclusive amenities designed to create a resort-like experience in your own home. From luxurious spa facilities and state-of-the-art fitness centers to elegant lounges and serene outdoor spaces, every detail is crafted to provide an unparalleled comfort and convenience. These features include a 10-meter high stilt landscape area, offering a spacious and elevated environment that adds to the project's greenery and provides a serene space for the residents to enjoy. Lagoon pools offering natural ambience with a variety of 7 pools, including a lap pool, kids pool, leisure pool, heated pool, and kids water play area. Flowering and sensory gardens providing serene retreats. A cricket practice pitch, a half basketball court, a turf cloth area, badminton and tennis courts for sports activities. A pet garden, a Miyawaki forest, an outdoor gym, a yoga and meditation lawn, a senior citizens lounge, a jogging track, a designated picnic area, multiple kids play areas. Community and socializing spaces include Club Elevate, a sprawling clubhouse designed for socializing and fostering a sense of community. A double-height clubhouse entry, welcoming the residents to a social hub for relaxation and recreation. A multi-purpose hall, fine dining options, a fully equipped gym, a Zumba studio, spa and sauna facilities, an on-site salon, a co-working space, an electronic library, a lounge area, various indoor games, bowling alley simulator for interactive gaming, a mini theatre for movie screenings and entertainment, an on-site doctor's room ensuring prompt attention to all the health needs, an art room for artistic expression and creativity, a karaoke room for all the music lovers, a card play room for board games and social interaction, a conference room for professional meetings and engagements. This comprehensive array of amenities and features ensure a luxurious, comfortable and community-oriented living experience for all the residents. Trust me, Signature Global, which is India's premier real estate developer, redefines real estate industry with a focus on quality, reliability and global standards. Backed by marquee investors including Nomura Trust and Banking Company, Standard Chartered, HDFC Capital, IFC as well as a listed company since September 2023, Signature Global continues to expand, delivering excellence across residential, commercial and retail sectors. Expression of interest are now being accepted, so hurry up to secure your slice of luxury in the heart of Gurugram. Don't miss out on the special inaugural discounts and exclusive offers for customers who did not get an allotment in the previous project Deluxe DXP. So welcome to the new era of luxury living with Signature Global Titanium SPR.